In the United States and in Europe, there are teams of Iron Mountain specialists preserving some of society's most valuable cultural assets, working in conditions ideally suited for this most precious of work.
The story behind them, where they came from, where they are now, how they got there, what condition they're in, and what it's going to take to get them where they're ultimately going is what keeps it so different and interesting every day.
None of the people that work here have this is just my job mentality. Everybody that works here has a passion for this. I think in general, just everybody realizes how cool it is being a part of history.
From restoring and enhancing visual media to digitizing music and audio tracks that would otherwise be lost to the past, these Iron Mountain teams are committed to this challenging work because of the shared belief that preservation now means continued access and value for the future.